Do you need to sell your house quickly? iProperty Buyers can buy your house in just 28 days. There are many reasons why you may need to sell your house quickly, including financial difficulties, loss of a job, or facing repossession. If you do need a quick sale, how long do you think it'll take to sell through an estate agent? Some properties have been on the market for months, some over a year. Even with an offer on your property, it's no guarantee of a sale. One problem is finding a buyer. Someone may want to buy your property, but just can't. If you had any experience with solicitors, you'll know that even after an offer, the process can still take 3 to 6 months and even longer if your buyer is in a chain. At iProperty Buyers, we offer a guaranteed quick sale, a free valuation, and we pay all your legal fees. We can even stop repossession and help if you're in negative equity. Call us today or visit us at www.ipropertybuyers.co.uk. iProperty Buyers, the hassle-free, fast way to sell your property in 28 days.